All right, Shawnee. Oh, make us one of them. Come on. Cheers, Sean.
Hello, Stephen.
All right.
Ooh, that looks nice. Enjoy yourselves. Be back by 11, Sean.
You're not eating this? I fancy your mum, Sean.
Bird's eye meals. Good food fast.
Fortunately, nowadays, roll-ons are quick drying. But none dries quicker than new Sure Big Ball.
I'm getting traces of blossom and buttercups. A faint twang of heather on a warm breeze, and it's all...
With a sheet of Bounce in your dryer,
And the haunting scent of...
you get the freshness of drying outside, inside. Bounce, now in 40-sheet value packs.
And there's a whiff of hollyhocks waiting to whoosh up your nose.
I haven't seen you here before.
I'm new to the area.
What do you think?
Lovely.
I see you're reading that shocking news about I can't believe it's not butter.
Yes.
Less than half the saturated fat of butter.
I'm made with buttermilk for that fresh butter-like taste. I don't like it.
I better know what you do like.
I can't believe it's not butter. Can you?
Seems like there's less of everything these days.
For a rich, replenishing moisturiser that melts into your skin, take Vaseline Intensive Care of yourself.
Button up your overcoat when the wind is free. Take good care of yourself, you belong to me. Oh, eat an apple every day, get to bed by 3. Take good care of yourself, you belong